This is the Airbnb that I stayed at for my first year anniversary with my partner Daniel. So let me show you. So there's a hot tub. It was my first time in a hot tub. Awesome experience, and we got to see the stars. Very amazing. Okay. And then this balcony. I sat right here. And I took some photos right here, and there's a whole forest over here. Oh my god. And you can see the mountains. What the fuck? It's very beautiful. Okay, and now we'll go inside. Yeah. There's also been a hummingbird around here, and it's so surreal to see a hummingbird. Alright, so look, this is the living room. Those amazing memories were made here. And this is the little kitchen area. And now the upstairs part where we slept together. Really beautiful. So beautiful. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching.